sad. I'm sad and disgusted. आता आयज आम लॉज म्हाका लॉज न्हू भास्कर लॉज आख्खे गोंयकार सॉरी MLA लॉज हो इश्यू पयर फाटी सांगलेलो इट विल affect all 5 states. Again I'm saying 5 states in election ha thinga BJP is bad for BJP this scandal. And see आणि आता लॉज आमकां लॉज भास्कर लॉज हांव मिलिंदाक आतां हाव इट फेस द महिला इन मुरगांव तेजी आतां म्हाका लॉज दिसता टू मीट माय वायफ एंड माय चिल्ड्रन एट होम कित्याक म्हजो कलीग इज एक्यूज्ड ऑफ विथ प्रूफ इज माय कलीग इज माय फ्रेंड इज माय कलीग आय रियली sad for him and sad for his family. I hope he comes out of it properly.
Sir, somewhere in the past you had said that some of your friends had seen the video earlier. Have you taken up this with the minister or with the...
See, I have told Mr. Fadnavis, ex-Chief Minister of Maharashtra, when I met him one-to-one, I said there's a video that I have heard that time. It will have an effect. But they laughed it out. I so long, I can go world la kodle, Goyano. आखे वर्ल्डला कळले आमचे आमदार मिनिस्टर इज इन्वॉल्वड इन सेक्स स्कॅन्डल. इट इज शेमफुल फॉर अस एज भास्कोइट्स एज MLAs एज गोयकार आमकां लॉज.
So any meeting is being taken up at the BJP level as of now?
आता BJP high leaders are there. CM काल नालो. I don't know, CM is coming tonight I think. So they'll take some action. They have to take action if they want business.